Hi everybody, I hope you guys had a good first 2 weeks of summer classes. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you the assignments for this week. So always, first and foremost, when you start from your home page, check your inbox for any emails that I may send you, and also go to announcements. For announcements, there is a new announcement. Doesn't have a title, but I'll fix that. So for this week, you're going to complete 4 assignments. Please make sure that you complete these by Friday. I will not reopen them. You have the entire week to do them. You don't even have school Friday, so try to get them done before Thursday if you can. All right. So you've got a quiz, the importance of eating healthy for students. Make sure you do the reading before you take the quiz. You have curl ups, and you'll report your score to me. And then you've got your normal cardiovascular assignment, which is either walking or running a mile. If you bike, you could do 3 miles, or you could do Metaconda. And then you've got your fitness log. So let me go ahead and go to those assignments. If you go to modules, and also don't forget to do daily attendance. So I've got the attendance set up here. Let me put this in student view for you. So for daily attendance, you'll just click on for Monday. Make sure you click here. You're going to check in. You just put in the discussion board that you're here. You'll just click reply, and then you'll just put here or present, whatever you want to put. Good morning, good afternoon, just post a reply, and then that will be your attendance. Then we'll go back to modules. So you'll do that every day before 3:30. And then you've got your assignments here for week number 3. So you've got how to perform the PFT curl up test. There is instructions here. So remember, anything with the little paper icon will be your instructions. It shows a video. And then if you click next, you have your cadence. So you'll listen to this while you do your PFTs. And then to report your score to me, you're going to practice the test. You're going to take the practice test, follow the cadence on the little video, and then in order to report your score, you just click the blue button and report your score. Let me know how many you did. Okay, and then the next assignment is going to be the importance of eating for healthy students. And remember, if the article doesn't pop up like this, just click on the white tab here, the white title bar, and then it'll pop up and you can read through the article. Okay, and then if you go back to the class, the next thing you'll do is take the quiz. So you have 30 minutes to answer 10 multiple choice questions. If you need to refer to the article again, I also put it right here for you. Okay. And then you've got 2 other assignments. You've got your fitness logbook, week number 3. So if you have, please continue to add it to your Google Docs or Google Sheets. It's a lot easier for me to view everything all in one place. If you want to walk, bike, ride, whatever, as long as you're doing it for 30 minutes, you could upload a screenshot of that to me. I've also put a bunch of different workouts in the modules for you to do. So those are your options. If you need help figuring out how to submit the fitness log, watch this video. This hopefully should help you out. Oops. And then the link for the Google Sheets is right here. And then make sure that you are including, this is very important, you're including the date of your exercise session, details of your workout. So you get 1 point for the date, 5 points for the details of your workout, 2 points for the duration, and 2 points for the intensity of it. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult is your workout? Make sure you're including all that information when you upload your fitness log to me. Okay, and last but not least, you have your cardiovascular day, which is going to basically be go out and run, walk, jog, whatever, 1 mile in distance. If you have a treadmill, you can upload a treadmill photo showing me both the mile, the distance, and the time. I need to see both of those. So if you need to take 2 separate photos, that's fine too. Make sure you include the information on if it's an indoor run and it's a treadmill run, make sure you include the posted information so I know that this week it's called this week's word of the week is independence. Put that on the post-it with your name, the date, to get your full credit for that. If you need help figuring out how to do using the Nike app, you can click on here. But yeah, those are your options. Okay, and then last but not least, you can also do Metaconda, which is going to be right here, and then the instructions for the video and the timer are going to be in the how-to module. Okay, so if you have any questions about any assignments this week, please let me know. Other than that, send me an email and I will talk to you guys later.